How to fix Realme device constantly switches from Wi-Fi to mobile network. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if your Realme device constantly switches from your Wi-Fi to mobile internet. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to launch the settings in your device. On the settings, you have to navigate to the first option, that is network and internet. Here, tap on your internet at the top of this page. Now on the internet, scroll down a bit and head towards the network preferences. Here, at the first, there is an option that says automatically switch between your network and mobile data to stay online. Select the best connection by evaluating the quality of nearby networks. So if you want to stop the constant switching between your Wi-Fi to mobile network, you have to turn off this toggle. Once you have turned off this toggle, you have fixed your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.